Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about this car my husband bought. So today was exciting day because here we go. There is the people drive for like almost 6 hours to bring this car. So my husband is introducing me that I'm a vlogger. It's funny. So my husband will explain to you guys what kind of car is this. Whoop, whoop. So here you go. The whole family here. Exciting. Excited. This new toy of Greggy. Alright guys, here is the car. Let me see. Looks pretty cool. Oh. So they come from Illinois. So Fiat Sport 850. Craig's Fiat Sport 850. Red color. This is gonna be another sporty car. Guys. Exciting. So they're gonna go work on this. Greggy, it's been so exciting to prepare this for a few days for the spot. Hi guys. Hi.
This is Marilyn.
Hi.
Doug.
Doug.
The other guy is
So what kind of car is that, hon?
Huh?
What kind of car is it?
It's a Fiat 850 Spider, 1970, and
like Eskimo.
it's going to be worth quite a bit of money. It's in extremely good condition, like restored.
Right.
Just needs some final assembly.
You're gonna go work on it.
Yeah.
And here's another Greggy's collection. Okay. And I think we're just gonna let that go.
Huh?
I think we're gonna work on that shed. Those guys probably tired of driving. There's another. Craig is preparing the place there. Busy guy. Now here is the people. You better help them over there, honey. And it is kind of windy today. Taking it up. Get out. So how long did you drive?
A long time. We left around
9:30. So it's like 5 something hours, 6 hours. Yeah. That's good. Good.
Boy, it's all shining bright. Oh yeah, you got to
So they're bringing in. Bringing in. It's another
Well,
date car. I wish I could drive. It's a stick shift. I guess I had to learn. I used to learn stick shift in the Philippines. Dili na sa Amerika. Automatic naman, mas dali. Mao na nga automatic na nabalaan. Di nakabalo sa stick shift. So we'll wait here until they get it down, ready to put it in the garage. Exciting for Greggy. This is gonna be his project for a while. Whoop! Whoop! Can you do it? Oh, the car. Wow.
Did you get that on camera?
Yes.
Here.
Wow. Look at these clicks.
Yeah, like I thought, like I was saying.
It's going down.
Like I was saying, it'll hop the block and it just goes down.
Yeah. Oh my. That's exciting. Like, get the car, get the car.
Yeah, I knew it would drop the block. Well, we just wanted some kind of cable.
Breakthrough.
Slow it down. Okay, hold on just a second. We'll stop right here. Yeah, it's gonna roll. Brakes on. Wait a second.
You okay? Woo. I was doing my video like this, but I was scared. I think I got the whole. I think I got the whole thing. You guys can see it on YouTube.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect, honey. Perfect. Going to Greg's garage.
It's twang loose for somehow.
Let's see, wait.
Gonna
Let me be the steering guy.
restore.
We're on the other side.
Steering guy? You're the steering guy.
The lay of the land here.
The steering
Watch
guy.
your hand on those things.
Right.
I do have the little rubber things.
I still have a scar on my phone.
Right.
Things.
If you don't get so far in, just we can't unload stuff out of this junk. It's chock-full.
Get that block there. We got it. Oh, that was close. Like I said,
All right.
maybe it was no job for
Is
old
that
men, you know?
is that it? Or you still need to push?
I don't like this.
All right.
what I'm
Cool.
gonna do?
Success.
This goes right there. And that
in
will
the
allow
garage
me
now.
to work on it without the rain or the sun.
Mm.
It's all set to go. You guys get good at
And there's a sunroof for this.
It's a beautiful car. Bang the screws in. Oh, you have all. It's
Mm.
all truck. So that means that I can come
Yeah,
out to
see the
here.
engine. Oh wow. Clean.
Yep,
Really
clean
clean.
machine.
No, no. You have to push it back
Really
in.
And it has
When
these
you're done.
panels on the bottom,
Wow.
Yeah.
Close the garage door.
protected from
Yeah.
splashing.
Actually, we got
Pretty cool.
we've got 2 feet there, and we've it'll be right about here.
You gonna close?
I'm gonna unload stuff and
Oh, we're gonna see the front. Oh, it's against the light. Look at that. See the side now. Against the light. But this car is gonna be cool. Success. Good job, guys. Good.